Hi, ladies, and welcome to how to utilize your back office. All right, so a couple of key things that I wanted to let you know and where to navigate some things. So the first thing you want to do is log into 31today.com with your user ID and password, which you can see I'm in my back office. A couple of things that I wanted to share with you is right here you can see the wishes come true. This is going to be a way that you can learn more about the program and how to track your wishes rewards in your virtual office. Now, when you scroll up to here, we've got the scoop button. When you click on this, this gives you all the ins and outs of where to go to navigate. If you are registering for Celebrate and Connect, you want to hit the Events tab, click Celebrate and Connect, and then click Register here to attend. You want to click this button, and then you'll be able to type in the city or the area that you wish to look for a meeting that fits your needs. Now, what we want to do first off, and that's just going on right now, so I want you to definitely register to go and attend to Celebrate and Connect. But new consultants need to start up here in this little For New Consultants tab. You've got Business Basics, Book, Party, and Share. What I'd like for you to do is check out the Business Basics, and you'll notice that you have all of these tools on how to get your business up and running. You've got the Read your how-to guide, Get to Know Your Catalog, your communication hub, which is 31today.com or TOT, your virtual office, and personalization. It's always best to run through each one of these little categories because it will familiarize yourself with how to utilize every aspect of your back office. The next thing right here is the Book tab. Now, this is awesome because we actually have broken down how to get bookings for you. It's pretty easy. So we've got Who Do You Know, Having Conversations, and responding to those yeses or those nos. The first video, and it's an awesome video, is New Consultant Webinar, How to Book. The second one is Do You Want to Fill Your Calendar with Bookings? This is from our National Executive Director, Jenny Hillenberg, which is the first original consultant in our company. Another great video is from Aisling McGilly, Senior Consultant. And then another little quick video is from Amy Murray, Executive Director, and how to grow your circle with your business. So make sure that you are utilizing these little tips. And then when you get to the party, you will see party demos. You're going to see how to utilize what we call the WOW Party Experience. Both of these are excellent tips. One that I particularly like is Kelsey Marshall's Online Party Tips. She's also a local consultant in our area in Appomattox, as a matter of fact, and she is absolutely amazing. So you definitely want to be checking out these little categories on before the party, during the party, after the party, and all those little things. Share is also another way, and that's sharing the opportunity. And I will be here to tell you that sharing the opportunity with everyone that you meet is always fantastic. Growing your business is a good way to build your own team and expand that financial income. We also have another category called 31-minute calls. These are recorded calls that we used to have. We still do. Now, we stopped doing those this year, but you can go back and all of these booking calls and then the going back to Business Basics, Party, Share, all of these phone calls, these 31-minute calls are phenomenal. They will help you utilize each and every corner of your business so that your business is successful. Whether you incorporate some of these ideas or not, It's your decision, but it's also going to give you the tools to grow and head that 31 business in the right direction. So I hope that this kind of gives you a little bit of insight. Take a look and see all of these tools right here, and we'll see how it goes. And congratulations on getting started with your new 31 business.